with a 30-minute time limit, your referee, Nate Pierce. Introducing first, making his way to the ring from Apex, Ohio, weighing in at 201 pounds. He is the former longest reigning Madmar, Pennsylvania champion, the Omega, Aaron Draven.
The Omega, Aaron Draven, former champion of Madmar, the longest reigning champion in Madmar history. I tell you, Omega's been champion everywhere he goes, whatever organization he's been in. He's always at the top, always a champion. And right here, right now, he's back to where he was the longest reigning champion. He looks in incredible shape. He's never looked better.
Coming off for the ACL, she returned 5 months early. That is unheard of for any sport, let alone pro wrestling. Looks like Omega isn't too happy to be here tonight.
You know, 5 months too early. That is, like you said, incredible. Some wonder and question whether he came back too soon, but I gotta tell you, he looks great.
His opponent, making his way to the ring, he hails from Raleigh, North Carolina, weighing in at 215 pounds. He is a former WCW Cruiserweight Champion, a former WWE World Tag Team Champion, and the longest reigning WWE Cruiserweight Champion in history. This is the Hurricane!
Oh my.
Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through.
Wow, nothing like getting back from an injury.
Hurricane.
Facing a hurricane. Wow.
Omega Aaron Draven has nothing to do with the Hurricane right now. As he gets out of the ring.
Hurricane
He's
looks
running
fantastic.
from the Hurricane right now.
Is that mask authorized by the PA State Athletic Commission? Shut up, Corey! Shut up! Shut up!
Hurricane in tremendous shape.
Very interesting bout that we have here. Two guys that are very extremely talented cruiserweight wrestlers. I expect this one to be fast-paced, high intensity, with a fair amount of insanity.
Very true. And I'll tell you, both of these wrestlers are ring savvy.
So does Draven. I can't wait for this one.
The fans lined up hours early to see this match. They cannot wait for it to begin.
And the crowd is behind Hurricane right now.
They've made their choice clear. Hard lockout.
Very hard knock. One of the hardest I've ever seen. Hurricane has Omega in the corner. corner.
Clean break. Great sportsmanship by the Hurricane.
Back to the corner again, this time Omega on top. Ooh.
Little message from
Hard
Omega
push to
there.
Hurricane. I tell you what, coming off of an ACL injury, Omega certainly still has his confidence that he left with.
And I'll tell you, probably in most matches that the Hurricane's in,
Hurricane shoots him off.
What's up with that?
Oh! And Omega backs off quickly. What is up with that?
You shut your mouth!
I'll tell you though, Aaron Draven is no stranger to legends.
He's not afraid to tell the crowd how he feels.
Absolutely, he's got victory after victory over some of the very
Hard
best in
rights
the business.
by the Hurricane. Reversal into the corner by Draven. Big boot by the Hurricane. He's going up. Huge flying elbow to the chin of Aaron Draven. The Hurricane is on top early in this one.
Hurricane trying to take control. Wise move by Aaron, getting out of there.
Draven runs out of the ring.
Ooh, there's that ring savvy by Aaron Draven. Oh, what a maneuver. One count.
Draven now with the momentum. Working Hurricane in the corner with some hard kicks to the chest.
He's choking him out now. Draven knows all the rules, taking them to the limit.
I'm surprised that Omega Aaron Draven with his attitude even listens to the referee. Still in control. Working the Hurricane any which way he can. It looks like he's pulling on the mask right now. Trying to mask the Hurricane in
Take
front
it
of this
off.
crowd in Meadville, PA. They want none of it. Ooh, and a hard toss into the corner by
Up and
Draven.
over. Oh,
And look at him showboating.
Putting the boots to the body. What an elbow.
And Draven continues to work away at the chest of Hurricane.
Tell you, I'm not sure who has the speed advantage in this match. I think they're pretty equal.
They are, and that's what I was talking about earlier. Two established cruiserweight wrestlers. We know what Hurricane has done in the WWE and WCW, but Omega Aaron Draven himself is very accomplished around this area and in the independent circles. Omega just seems to have full control of this match right now. It seems like it's in his hands.
He's relentless.
Out of nowhere, Hurricane fires back up with a right shot to the chin. Oh! And Draven with a huge enziguri kick to the back of the head of Hurricane. Going for a pin. This might be it.
2 count that time for Aaron. This is a big match for both men. Aaron's going up top here. Oh, what? What is he doing?
Oh, and he's just taunting Hurricane in the corner
Oh,
right
my.
now. His signature Superman.
Aaron seems to feel.
Despicable by Omega Aaron Draven.
He seems to
No
feel he has it
class.
well in hand. Hard punch to the face again. Those right hands are powerful from Aaron. Oh, what a kick!
Omega just continues to taunt this crowd. Like I said, he's certainly not short on confidence coming into this match.
He is not. The crowd is way behind Hurricane still.
Huge clothesline by Hurricane, and another. Reversal. A huge uppercut in the corner by the Hurricane. Oh, what a maneuver by the Hurricane.
Could be
for the
it.
pin.
What a kick out.
It too.
Aaron shows his intestinal fortitude on that. Most men, that's the finish, the match right there. That's all.
Shining Wizard.
Amazing.
Huge kick to the chin by Omega and Draven. This might be it. Hurricane looks to 1, 2, and he kicks out at 2.
Back and forth.
Here we go, time for the brain buster.
Oh, and a kick out at 2. I thought
2
for
and a
sure
half.
Hurricane had Omega down for 3.
Aaron manages to kick
Refs
out again.
Yelling. Fans yelling at the ref, but it's a slow count. I'm not sure. Nate P seems to be doing his job just fine by me. And the crowd's starting to get into it now. Is it a choke slam? Oh, and Omega pushed the ref away, and it looked like there might have been a cheap shot there.
Hard to tell from this angle.
Here we go.
Body slam by Omega, and he's going up to his home on the top rope.
Right where he
What
wants
does
him.
have? And Hurricane gets out of the way. Choke slam!
Choke slam to hell.
Hurricane is winning here a fair amount of insanity over the former champ Omega Aaron Draven. What about?